So we just came south from Ubud, or headed south from Ubud. Now we're down in the peninsula, which I'm not really sure what this area is called, south of Denpasar and south of the airport. We didn't take the toll road and I didn't film it I don't know. But this is our new room. We have a bed, we have an AC unit, we have this cool picture of birds. We have a nice bathroom, the door locks. We have this cabinet here and it locks. Both doors have keys and they lock. And this is really cool. It's really nice. It's small. This one's only $11 a night. I know our other one was better. It was $10 and it was bigger and grander, but this one will do the job. We're on the second floor. We have a balcony and I'm really excited. I'm excited to be down here because there's a bunch of really cool beaches that I want to check out, and I know Rachel would like to check out and go hang out at a beach. I need to throw on some sunscreen and got some heavier stuff because we got burnt last time we went to a beach. We're just going to chill out here for a little bit, get a motorbike, maybe get some food. I don't know, we have stuff for PB&Js.
What do you mean maybe get some food? We have to get some food.
Okay, so we're going to figure our stuff out and then let you guys know. All right.
Oh, he's just waiting for it. Oh, he's like, okay, peace out.
Okay, so we figured out where we're going and now we're going to go get some food. So see you guys when we get some food. All right.
Okay.
This is not mustard. It is sweet chili sauce, and it is amazing.
Sweet chili, but it's spicy.
It is. It is like my third favorite condiment.
Third favorite, that's a big deal. I'm excited, let's eat.
What's up, everybody? We had food. It was really good. We had burgers, and now we're at this awesome beach. Like, I mean, it's not much for swimming, but it is perfect for taking photos and just chilling and relaxing. And it's super crazy. There's so many different types of shells, and the sand is very cushiony, and the rocks are crazy into the water. Like, look at that. But yeah, this is where we're hanging out. This is the beach we wanted to go to. We weren't sure what to find because we haven't been to a beach where you like it's made for swimming, or it is there for swimming. Not made, but it's not, you know what I mean. But we're just chilling out here. Sorry, I keep looking down because I'm walking and I don't want to step on any creatures that will hurt me or hurt them. But this is incredible. There's like a wrecked boat down that way. This is like perfect surfing waves. Maybe not because all the rocks, but there's some surfers down that way. A bunch of little critters in the water. And look at, we came from up there. So you see that little building? Right there. That's where we came from. That's where we started this. That's why I'm so sweaty, which I was kind of excited to go swimming because I was being so sweaty. But we're here. Oh, look at this show. Anyone home? No one home. Wow. No one's home. Rachel will like that. But yeah, this is just beautiful. We're posted up right over here on this rock. There's all these rocks. It's crazy. So let's show you guys the beach. All right. here, just at this little like surfing cafe thing, and it's got a couple bintings. It's really hot, kind of avoiding the hike back up, and just enjoying the sound of the waves. The waves are huge here, but it's a little tide right now, so we couldn't go swimming, and no one's out surfing. There's a couple of fishermen out in the water, and then there's a couple on the shore here, but this is just crazy beautiful here, and I'm happy we came. So we're gonna enjoy this, so why don't you guys enjoy it too. So that's it, we're leaving the beach. It was fun, very beautiful, and now we gotta head back up this crazy trail. Look at this. Can you even see the trail? Because it's just rocks. Alright, yeah, we're heading back up this way, so cool. Day went under 138 and we're still hiking.
We still have water, and that's a good sign.
But man, it's a bit of a hike to get there, a bit of a hike back, but that beach is definitely worth it. If you get a chance to come here, come during high tide so you can swim. But it's beautiful. And more walking. We just made it back. I'm gonna hop on the bike, get some breeze going through our hair. Yeah, head back to our place. So, see you guys there. So I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. If you do like my content, please like it, please share it, please subscribe to my channel. That helps me out so much when you guys do that. And I just wanted to say again, thank you guys so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.